Hey folks, JD here and welcome back. And today we have got another mailbox unboxing, mailbag retro thing going on. So, as usual, I've opened the packet, just that I haven't got to reveal any addresses. I haven't looked what's inside. I think we can already see that that's a game because it's already starting to peel there. But I have no idea which game and I have no idea what's in here. So let's start off on the right hand side with this. Oh, okay. What's that then? Whatever it is, I got two of them. Oh, superb. That is my AV multi for my N64 and GameCube to HDMI. And I'm guessing this is the second one I bought. I have an old one of these, very old one of these. Brilliant. And it's AV multi to composite. But it's on the fritz. It doesn't really work very well. So I thought I'd shell out. And these on eBay were only £7. And I'm willing to give them a try. So again, bus powered, USB, which is great because it can connect to the USB on the console, on the whichever console I've got lying around next to it. I think my GameCube is upstairs. I think that's got my PS2 Slim attached to it. So yeah, look at that. Brilliant. Really happy with that because as some of you will remember, actually I've got one right here. As some of you might remember, where is it? Oh, there it is. It's straight coaxial for the N64 and the same for the GameCube. So yeah, really happy with that. So it does away with the need of that. So I'm still going to keep the aerial because it's part of the game's history. But at least I can run directly into HDMI, which really makes me a happy man because I have fallen into the same trap as everybody else. HDMI just makes my life so much easier. So therefore, where applicable, I will use HDMI, even on the older consoles. And it's great because I've got all the classic consoles as well, the re-release classic minis, which are all HDMI ports anyway. So perfect. Right, so that's packet one. So we're going to leave those there. We know what they are. Perfect. Leave them there so they don't fall. Packet 2. 3, 2, 1. Transformers the game. Perfect. Wasn't the one that I was hoping. I know this one got pretty much slated. I never played it. But there was another one that they had on PS2 which wasn't following the Michael Bay movie. But it was Transformers 2 from Transformers Armada. That I loved. That was superb. Never played this, but I know it got panned. But I am one of the very few people that absolutely adores the Transformers movies because I never thought I would ever see the Transformers in live action. And I'm just chuffed that Michael Bay made the movies and we get to see loads from Gen 1, 2, 3 and 4. And yeah, do you know what? Perfect. No writing in there. Oh. It may have been resurfaced, but if not, it's very clean. Very happy with that indeed. There we go. So Transformers the game. So even if it is terrible, I'm going to complete it just for the sake of completing it. I can't see it being any longer than about 7 hours. And to be honest with these sort of things, if I can sort of guess, I would imagine this is sort of get from point A to point B when you're in point B to destroy the Decepticons and then get from point B to point C. It's going to be that sort of game. So I just zone out on those anyway, so that's absolutely fine. Looking forward to playing that, and if for no other reason, it's going to be part of my Transformers collection on the PS2 anyway. And then, this one, Family Guy. So with Futurama on the PS2, and me playing that quite a bit, the video is not yet to go live yet. I wanted to get many more adult animations. We've got Simpsons Hit and Run, we've got Simpsons the Game on the PS2. Now we've got Xbox 360's Family Guy Back to the Multiverse. And I love Return to the Multiverse, the episode. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's just a bit of, okay. It's just a little bit of dust on there. But again, look at that. Must have been resurfaced. Absolutely great condition. Let's have a little look in here. And I absolutely love Family Guy. And any chance I get to play, and I get to play as Brian, do you know what? Happy man. Happy man. There we are, great. The best of as well. Look at that on DVD now. I'm loving these little adverts. I forgot that the games even came with adverts. Brilliant. So again, a short one, my friends, but But again, very important, 2 games to add to the collection and 2 multi-AV connectors for the GameCube and the N64. Very, very happy man. Thanks ever so much for watching, my friends. We're going to return in the next couple of weeks with another one of these unboxings. Until then, please enjoy the rest of the videos this week and the videos already on the channel. Thanks ever so much for watching, my friends. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy gaming.